Before the day begins, take a few minutes to arrive. Find a comfortable position. Let your hands rest naturally. Close your eyes gently, or lower your gaze. Take one slow breath in, and slowly breathe out. Now allow the breath to return to its natural rhythm. There is no need to make it deeper. Notice where breathing feels clearest. Perhaps around the nose. Perhaps in the chest. Or in the movement of the belly. Choose one place and let it become your anchor. Feel one inhale from beginning to end. Then follow one complete exhale. For the next few breaths, count each exhale. 1, 2, 3. Continue until 10. Then begin again at 1. If you lose the count, simply begin again. There is nothing to correct. Noticing that attention moved is already part of the practice. Now let go of the numbers. Return to feeling the breath. Notice that each breath is slightly different. Some are long. Some are short. Some are easy to feel. Others are more subtle. Let each one be as it is. When a thought appears, you do not need to finish it. When a sound appears, you do not need to follow it. Notice where attention went. Then return to breathing. If the mind feels especially busy, use one conscious breath to begin again. Feel the inhale. Feel the exhale. Then continue with the next breath. There may be moments when attention stays. There may be moments when it wanders repeatedly. Neither means that the practice is going well or badly. They are simply different moments to notice. Follow each breath for as long as you can. When attention moves away, return without criticism. Notice whether the mind is commenting on the practice. Perhaps it says, "This is peaceful. This is difficult. I should be more focused." You do not need to argue with the comment. Recognize it as another thought. Then come back. For the next few moments, use whichever support feels most helpful. You may count the breaths. You may follow each inhale and exhale. Now release every technique. Do not count. Do not try to hold attention in one place. Simply be aware that the body is breathing. If attention wanders, let the return be gentle. No frustration. No judgment. Just another beginning. Take one slightly deeper breath in. And slowly breathe out. Notice how you feel without deciding how you should feel. Calm. Restless. Focused. Or distracted. Whatever is here can be noticed. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. As you open your eyes, notice the day waiting ahead. You do not need to stay perfectly focused throughout it. When you notice yourself moving through the day on autopilot, pause, feel one breath, and begin again. This was day 7. Tomorrow, we will move beyond the breath.